Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain healthy food in GK book of first class. It is on page number 44. Okay, it is on page number 44. As all of you know, food is very important for our body. Okay, if we will not take food, we cannot survive. We will not get any energy to work and play. Okay, we cannot do any work. So food is very important for our body to maintain the growth, to maintain energy, to maintain health. Okay, so but we should take proper food, we should take healthy food. If we will take unhealthy food in our body, then we will get ill, we will get sick. We cannot fight with the germs of diseases. Our body cannot fight with the germs of diseases. So we should take healthy food. On this page we will study about some healthy food and some unhealthy food. We have to tick mark on the healthy food and we have to cross the unhealthy food. Let us see which food is healthy for our body and which is unhealthy for our body. 1 number, salad. All of you know what is salad. It is made up of mixing of many vegetables. Okay, so many such as tomato, cucumber, beetroot, carrot, radish, spinach. Okay, the cabbage, cauliflower, there are many vegetables including in the salad. So it is very healthy for our body. It contains many proteins, many vitamins, many essential nutrients for our body. So it is very healthy for our body. So we will take the salad. Now let us see another next food item. It is idli sambar. As all of you know, idli is made up of semolina and sambar is made up of pulses, bottle gourd and tomato and brinjal and beans, any other vegetable. So it is also very healthy for our body in the breakfast. We can take idli sambar in the breakfast also, in the lunch also. Okay, so it is also healthy for our body. So we will take on the idli sambar. Now next food item is burger. Burger is very tasty. In fact, mostly students like to eat burger, but it is made up from the cheese and flour, like maida. So it is not healthy for our body. If we will take it again and again in much quantity, then we will face obesity and we will face many problems related to our body. So we will not take it many times. Only once in a week we can take it. So it is not healthy for our body. So we cross it. Now next food item is pizza. I know all like pizza so much, but it is also made from refined flour, means maida. So it is also not healthy for our body. So we cross the pizza. Now next food item is dal, roti and sabji. Dal, roti and sabji. It is very healthy and essential lunch item for our body. We will take proper dal, chapati and vegetable and salad in our lunch, then it is the proper meal for our body. So it is also very healthy. So we will take the dal, roti, sabji. Now next food item is fruits. As all of you know, all of you are eating fruits. Many fruit means apple, mango, banana, pomegranate, grapes, guava, okay, oranges, sweet lime, papaya. So fruits are very healthy for our body. These contain many essential nutrients that are important for our body. So we take the fruits. Now next food item is patties. Patties is also made from refined flour and vegetable oil also, and that these ingredients are not healthy for our body. So it is also not healthy. So we cross it. Now next one, sweets. Next one food item is sweets. In sweets there is so much sugar, and sugar is not very healthy for our body. If we will take sugar in more quantity, then our body will cover with many diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Okay, so many diseases we can face with the taken of many sweets. So we avoid sweets as much as possible. Only in a week we can take, but daily we will take so much sweet. It is not good for our health. So we cross the sweets. Now next food item is omelette. It is made from egg, and egg is rich in protein. Egg is rich in protein, and in omelette we can add many vegetable also, means potato, tomato, onion, green chili. Okay, so it is also very healthy. So omelette is very healthy breakfast. Omelette is very healthy breakfast. So we take the omelette. Now next food item is cold drink. Next food item is cola, means cold drink. As all of you are drinking cold drink in the summer season, all of you are drinking cold drink in the summer season, but it is not healthy for our body, because in cold drink there is so much soda, means little bit saccharine and sugar also, and many acidic ingredient that is not healthy for our body. In place of cold drink you can drink fruit juices. Okay, you can prefer fruit juices. Fruit juices are healthy for our body, but we should avoid cold drink. Okay, so it is not healthy, so we cross the cold drink. Now next food item is milk. As all of you know, milk is very essential for our body. We should drink milk daily in the breakfast, in the night, after food also, dinner also. So milk is very essential for our body. Milk is very healthy because it is rich in very several nutrients. Okay, so milk is healthy for our body, so we take the milk. Now next food item is curd and rice. As all of you know, rice is energy giving food and curd is made from milk. Curd is also energy giving food. So these both of the food items are also very healthy for our body. So we should take it 2 to 4 times in a week. So we take the curd and rice. So all of you have understood about healthy and unhealthy food. All of you read this page again and try to learn more about healthy food and unhealthy food, and try to avoid unhealthy food and just try to take only healthy food, so that you can grow up properly and you will not face any disease in our body and you will not face any problem. Thank you everybody.